How to make money with Kaiber AI. First of all, let's open a web browser and search for Kaiber AI. Once you get the search results, click on the link to open the official website. Here we are on the home page from where the journey will begin. To start the process, click on Start Creating. It will ask you to create an account by using an email address, Google account or Apple ID. I will go with Google account and allow the permissions to proceed. Here we are on the Kaiber AI Super Studio where we will start creation. Select the video type and video template to get started. I will choose flipbook frame by frame animation. Next, you need to upload an image from your device to start the animation process, and you need to upgrade your plan if you want to upload an audio file. Next, click on Edit your prompt. Now here enter a prompt to create your video. Make sure the scene is described in detail to get better results. Next, describe the video style according to your needs, but I will go with 3D render, and if you scroll down a bit, you will find the video settings button. Click on that and additional settings will open on the screen. Adjust the following settings and finally click on Generate Preview. You may need to wait for a moment to complete. Once it's generated, select your favorite preview image and from the bottom, click on the arrow icon to generate the video. It may take a few minutes if you are using the free plan, and once it's generated, let's have a preview. This is how you can use and earn money with Kaiber AI. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.